Mais à liker. Abonne-toi, STP. Ça me soutiendra beaucoup. Merci aux vrais, qui le feront.
Hey, Arthur!
What do you want?
Uncle told me something about a train.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
You need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night? Not...
True. You know, stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure. But what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable. Oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. That is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Salut à tous, comment vous allez? Moi ça va très très bien. Bienvenue sur Red Dead 2. Et du coup, on doit aller chercher un chariot de pétrole. Je me rappelle de cette mission, c'est un truc de malade. Des malades, ils me tirent dessus, je suis sur une truc de pétrole. Bah oui, c'est des malades. Ils me tirent dessus sur un truc de pétrole, ils veulent crever, oui. Mais ils sont débiles, hein. Mais pourquoi il enlève les chevals?
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Hey, Arthur, come here a minute.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you, and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bon bah allez, on va aller... Jackie. On va aller voir Jackie Chan. Let's go. Ah, cette mission, elle est sympa en vrai.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
Des minuscules Jacques.
Lift you on when you're ready.
La petite canne à pêche.
All right. Let's go then.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. We shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? Know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid. Rabbits are out. All right. This looks as good a spot as any.
Ma manette est encore buggée, désolé. Ah oui, la mimique à la pêche.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
Eh, j'en ai marre, la manette, elle allait très bien, maintenant elle bug pile au meilleur moment.
Oh, Uncle Arthur?
T'inquiète. Ah, si, ici. Ici, la canne à pêche.
First, we need some bait.
Fromage.
I'm gonna use some cheese.
Bon.
Cheese?
Bellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
Something's tugging at your rod, Uncle Arthur.
There, got him.
Pull him in!
Et bah voilà, déjà, on en a un.
Look, Jack, it's a bluegill. It's almost as small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay. But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just Sit, wait. Try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphan street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn, and have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not play the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender?
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting late, Jack. Your mother will be worried. Let's head back.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem.
What?
I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Ouais, bon. Eh ben.
least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
Well, give scrap, Arthur. I'm just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you?
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall.
Je sais plus s'il y aura Charles avec nous ou pas.
Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
We're back on the road.
Find a good spot, Wolfman.
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny fella, John Marsden. And what folks say? You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about. They're left here, towards Rose.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Because I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gutter sea. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog,
No,
please.
not this again.
Fine, damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jump. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast. Take charitable donations. And
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nope.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Faut qu'ils prennent le pompe.
I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Go on! Hey, get on there! Bastard! All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and don't get shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
This is unnecessary.
I ain't got nothing. You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
What's the problem here? Money, valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay, okay. In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1. Damn it.
A1.
Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
I
that?
waste my time.
You sure, you son of a bitch? We ain't playing around here. Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Don't make me hurt you. Put it
Eh
now.
ben je m'en fous.
Son of a bitch. Come on. Put it now. Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
This is unnecessary.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Désolé, j'ai bugué, mais en fait, vu qu'il n'y avait plus ça avant. Ah voilà, là c'est identification manuelle, voilà, j'ai... Ouais.
I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up. This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
We'll take
Ah, des
that.
bijoux.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Tennis rackets in there. Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right?
I know, that's what's worrying me. Some decent stuff.
All right, we should probably be going now. Come on, we should get out of here.
These folks are rich, all right. We're looking good in here.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's 2 arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marshal, Smith, get ready.
Men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you, you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more than turning up.
Damn out
Ah.
your mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
You won't. I tell you again. Come out now with your hands up. Last chance. Drop your weapons and get off the train.
through the trees, you see him?
Hey, the money here, bro. Oh, les bijoux là.
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
Non mais genre comment je l'ai pas touché. Balle, je des balles, balle, 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 balle.
Let's go. Stay with me.
Putain, attendez mon cheval. J'ai vu qu'il y avait un pistolet que j'avais pas, apparemment, enfin une arme que j'avais pas. Et ça m'énerve parce que je peux aller la récupérer mais je peux du coup pas. À droite.
Whoa!
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
J'ai gagné 180. Alors ce qui est bien c'est qu'on a dérobé 300 balles, hein. Mais la bande elle a réussi à quand même se faire 500 balles.
Why are you dressed up like that? I've seen some sick perversions in my time. This one might take the prize.
Wait. You gotta help me. It's that crazy gunsmith. He made me dress up like this. He got me chained to the goddamn bed. You gotta do something, please. He's never gonna let me go.
Bah, let's go.
Nice to see you again, partner. Oh, hey, that's a piss poor move.
I think you better open up that register.
Okay, let me just open the register, all right?
We ain't done yet. I want to see what's in that basement of yours.
Real impressive. Woo on you.
Nothing to know worse down there.
All right, you got what you
Why
wanted
don't
now,
I
so just
be the
leave.
judge of that? Open it now!
All right. Ain't got nothing to hide.
Putain mais t'as un flingue, riposte.
You know, you can always come back after he wakes up.
You just stay away from me.
Now, what I tell you about talking to your pa that way?
Oh, thank God. You're not gonna help me?
Take anything you want. Just leave us in
I'm never
peace.
getting out of here, am I?
Take anything you want. Just don't harm my boy.
Et puis d'armes. Ouh, oh c'est la Litchfield. Ah non c'est la Lancaster ça. Wesh. Elle ressemble à Litchfield.
Just what the hell is going on here?
He was being a bad little boy, stealing candy from the store again.
Why are you wearing that sailor suit?
That crazy maniac put me in it. He thinks I'm his kid's son. Kidnapped me, he did. Do I look like a kid?
Always in such a rush to grow up these days, aren't they? So I know this must look bad, but the boy needed to be disciplined.
I told you a thing? No.
Sometimes they need a little tough love.
No, the chains! Shoot the chains! Oh, finally! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I know it was wrong. I just couldn't face that he was gone. I was teaching Sammy how to hold the rifle proper out by the river.
The recoil shot him backwards.
He slipped into the river. The water pulled him downstream so quick. It all happened so fast, I didn't know what to do.
I searched up and down that riverbank for days.
But I couldn't find my boy. I just miss him so much.
And you?
You remind me of him. You look just like him. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Don't know what else you want from me. Take what you want. I don't care anymore.
Ah, c'est quand même triste, hein. Mais bon.
Did the university send you? Because if they did, they can get lost. I have never been so insulted in all my life. Really, laughed at. Balderdash. Are you quite certain you're not a spy? Those wretches will do anything to destroy me. My theories are correct, and I can prove it. I am the leading amateur paleontologist in the nation, and not one university will hire me because, unlike them, I actually have ideas.
You're a what?
I study dinosaurs. You know, big lizards.
Are they real?
Of course they're real, you nincompoop. And everywhere.
Everywhere?
This state was once a vast, shallow sea that had the most incredible animal that could walk, swim, and fly. Quite unique. I call it Totalisaurus. Just for now. I'm trying to gather all the evidence. Miss Deborah McGinnis.
Arthur.
Good to meet you. Could you give me a hand here, please?
Of course.
Yeah. Listen, if you find any of these bones around the country, send them to my homestead at Furwood Rise in Cumberland Forest. Or mail me the locations. I'll reward you handsomely for your efforts.
Actually, I think I found some. Here.
Excellent. I will go and investigate. And we'll be proving a lot of stuck-up buffoons very, very wrong. Which, trust me, is the very best thing about science. Good day to you, sir.
Okay, fella. Yeah.
bah les gars, on va se laisser après que j'ai donné à Pearson les aliments.
All right.
Hello, Arthur.
Hey, Uncle. Pearson.
Ah, hello, Mr. Morgan. We could really use some more meat, Mr. Morgan.
Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Mr. Morgan.
Mr. Strauss?
How was it looking around Blackwater when you got Sean?
Not good.
Sure, and singing's fine, but I'm done with that, and if you want me to leave, then that's fine too. Now, suppose you can discuss the matter with Gus? Do whatever you goddamn please.
Il vient d'avoir une dispute là. Ouh. Une grosse dispute. Quoique. En tout cas, les gars, je vous laisse, je vous dis salut, bye, bref, vous-même vous connaissez la routine. Ciao.